there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into something truly magical, those incredibly fluffy, jiggly Japanese soufflé pancakes that have taken the internet by storm. First, separate 2 large eggs, placing the egg whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. Put the egg whites in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to chill while we work on the yolk mixture. Add a splash of milk to the egg yolks. The milk adds moisture and makes the batter nice and smooth. Next, mix in a little bit of vanilla extract for extra flavor. See how that instantly creates this gorgeous, silky texture? Time for our flour. I always sift it in gradually. Nobody wants lumpy pancakes, right? See how I'm adding just a little at a time and folding it in? Perfect. Your yolk batter should look velvety and pour slowly off your spatula like this beautiful ribbon. Isn't that satisfying to watch? All right, grab those chilled egg whites from the freezer. The cold really helps them reach that perfect fluffiness. Start beating on low speed. Patience is key here. Look for those tiny bubbles forming. Perfect. Now add about 1/3 of your sugar. Crank up the speed and keep that whisk moving all around the bowl. You're not just mixing, you're incorporating air, which is the real secret to that signature soufflé texture. See how they're changing from transparent to this gorgeous white foam? Add another 1/3 of sugar as they start getting creamy. Then bring the speed back to medium. Watch for those beautiful ridges forming. That's your signal to add the remaining sugar. Now reduce to low speed for the final stretch. You're looking for that perfect meringue consistency where your whisk leaves a peak that stands tall with just a slight curl at the tip, like a tiny wave frozen in time. Absolutely perfect. Here's where the magic really happens. Take a generous scoop of that glossy meringue and add it to your yolk mixture. We're going to fold them together, not stir, but fold. See this gentle motion? We're preserving all those precious air bubbles that will make our pancakes float like clouds. Now pour this lightened batter back into the remaining meringue. Continue with that same gentle folding motion. It's like we're tucking a blanket around all those air bubbles. Stop the moment everything is evenly combined. Overfolding is the enemy of fluffiness. Transfer your beautiful batter to a piping bag, or just grab a spoon if you're keeping it casual. Heat your pan on the lowest setting possible. I mean seriously low. Look at how thick this batter is. It stays exactly where you pipe it. That's how you know you've nailed the consistency. Now here's a pro tip. Add a tiny spoonful of water around, not on, your pancakes and cover with a lid. This creates a steamy environment that helps them rise evenly. After about 3 to 4 minutes, let's take a peek. Oh, look at that gorgeous golden bottom. Time for the flip. This takes a gentle touch, so don't rush it. There we go. Perfect flip. Another splash of water, lid back on, and about 3 more minutes until they're fully cooked through. Wow, just look at these beauties. Feel free to get creative with toppings. You can add in some fresh berries for that perfect sweet tart contrast, or maybe a light dusting of powdered sugar that melts right into the warm pancakes. If you enjoyed this little pancake adventure, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.